Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove turkey tail feathers. Begin by calming the bird and inspecting the tail for damaged feathers and skin issues. Use clean gloves and sterilized tools to reduce infection risk. Hold the turkey gently but securely and pluck feathers from the base following natural growth direction. Check for bleeding and apply light pressure or antiseptic if needed, then monitor the bird until fully calm. Start by positioning the turkey on a padded surface and wrapping wings if necessary to prevent flapping. With one person holding, use the other hand to grasp each tail feather at its base and pull smoothly in the feather's natural direction. Avoid twisting or jerking, which can damage follicles. After removing all targeted feathers, inspect the area for cuts and apply a mild antiseptic if needed, then let the turkey rest in a warm spot. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings ambient farm sounds and timers right into your workspace and can help keep a calm atmosphere while you work on birds. It's compact and easy to use around chores, so consider it as a handy helper. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once feathers are removed, gently clean the area with a mild antiseptic and apply sterile gauze if bleeding persists. Keep the turkey in a quiet, warm area to reduce stress and encourage healing. Watch the bird for signs of infection, swelling, or unusual behavior, and avoid bathing until the site is dry. If you notice persistent problems, consult a veterinarian to ensure proper recovery and safe feather regrowth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.